The plan for this chapter will be to learn about viewing and editing items in ePEARL. Let's get started. This artifact, Marie Antoinette, was developed for social studies. The View screen shows the entry in read-only format. So from this screen, a student can close it without deleting it, start editing it, delete it, share the entry with others, and send this artifact to the Presentations folder. The Edit screen, which is accessed by clicking on the pencil, activates all of the features and fields that are available for each entry. From this screen, a student can continue to work on the artifact, click on the red X to cancel the work without saving the changes, click on the green check mark to save, or the double check mark to save as new. In this chapter, you have learned about viewing and editing items in ePEARL. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice. You can also print the instructions by clicking on the Print button.